Hey, I'm Matt, and that's exactly why they think you're mentally retarded, Matt. I like bananas. Do you even know what the shocker is? Two in the pink, one in the stink. Oh my god, that's a butthole. Hey, what's up, boys and girls? How are y'all? Hey, what's up, boys and girls? How are you guys doing? And I'm wearing this beanie again because my hair is absolutely fabulous. You sound very gay when you do that, Matt. Well, I'm gonna go put some nail polish on and suck some dick. I'm pretty sure you just offended homosexuals everywhere. For real, Matt, what type of homosexual sucks penis? Pfft, that's dumb. Okay, has anybody else noticed how shiny my lips are right now? I swear to God I didn't put on lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that. My lip gloss be popping. Fuck! This is chapstick. And for some reason I was like, hey, let's put on chapstick before you do this video. And now it looks like I've been blowing off a horse. What was I going to talk about again? Oh yeah, penis! Why do I have to resort to saying the P word? Pineapple? Yeah, Matt, pineapple. Cool, because I like shoving pineapples in my butt, honestly. So I went to see the movie Daybreakers with my dad. That's right, I went to see a movie with my dad. Does that make me gay? You know what? Fuck your face. Matt, you're stupid. Hey now, I have feelings too. Damn, son, you need a haircut. Doctor, I'm hearing these really strange voices. Could you tell me what they are? Well, I think you're schizophrenic. What the fuck? Oh, fuck, I'm stupid. I'm slowly starting to believe that there is absolutely no point to this video whatsoever. It's probably a good idea to tell you guys right now that I think I'm stupid. Dear God, what's wrong with me? I should have put music behind that. You're a freaking genius. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. I'm full of shit. Well, I'm gonna go jack off in a cup. That's absolutely what I told her. Oh, damn. So... what did we learn today?
The next time you make a video, you should probably think about what you're gonna make the video about and not just come on the camera and do retarded shit.
You don't know anything. Who do you think you're talking to?
You're talking to yourself.
Well, I guess that means I can suck my own dick. Oh, damn, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, yeah, that was... oh, shit, I think I sucked too hard.
Absolutely nothing.
I ain't got time to be sucking dick. I like pudding. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. In my butt. That's not part of the song? Well, it should be.